One day, glowing bubbles began descending from the sky toward the earth. Inside each bubble, a precious memory was safely preserved, as if time itself had captured its stories. In the midst of that radiant moment, a baby girl was born and named Leora. People whispered that she was no ordinary child, but the guardian of fragile memories. As years passed, Leora grew into a brave protector, her armor adorned with shining pearls that held thousands of stories. Suddenly, a dark shadow emerged in the palace and demanded that the burden of memories be abandoned. The bubbles started shattering in fear, and stories began to fade. But Leora raised her sword and declared that no memory would vanish while she stood. The pearls on her armor glowed brightly, and echoes of love, laughter, and farewells filled the air. The light grew so powerful that the shadow weakened and retreated. Soon, the bubbles transformed into radiant light and formed a glowing crown around her, and she softly promised to carry them all. One by one, every memory merged into her armor, and the darkness disappeared forever. From that day on, Leora was not just a warrior, but the living keeper of the world's memories.